the hell am I?
The Lady Dolphin of Daytona dinner boat cruise.
We got the life vests in case we go overboard. Alright, this is the boat we're going on. This is the dinner. And there it is. So we're gonna board shortly since they're all getting off, right? Mm-hmm. Or we gotta wait an hour, don't we? And we're right back here by this thing, which means we're probably gonna get soaked.
If you're sitting upstairs, use the down staircase only. We have two staircases, one up, one down. They're very narrow. We do not want people passing each other with hot food and drinks, so use the appropriate staircase throughout the cruise.
Yeah, we were thinking if the boat started to sink, some of you might want to slip up to the bar and have a nice stiff drink before you hit a jump in the river. So that's why we've got the life jackets right there next to the bar for you.
We'll begin serving dinner once we get underway.
Here we go. Pirate flag. And you do, baby.
So if we have this lucky winning number, come on up to the bar for a free drink. The winning number is going to be 969 466.
First now that ride was on the last cruise we took.
We have to go on that next. Alright, we're going under the bridge.
Really fun to go fishing out here.
I like to go since I'm very much as ship.
I got the prime rib, we got the turkey, we got spaghetti, we got nuggets, we got shrimp scampi over here. Yeah, I know that water coming at you, yeah.
Yeah, like, it looks like the movie.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, that was a fun boat ride. We got to see some dolphins, see the sunset, had a good time, and had some good key lime pie. We'll catch you down the road.